Hello, now we are in the 9th floor of Hotel Horizonte and we are going to show you all our neighbor hotels. First of all, we've got Hotel Valparaiso in our left side. One of the most important hotels in the city, 5 stars, just 200 meters away from Hotel Horizonte. We highly recommend this nice, superb hotel. Just beside Hotel Horizonte, we found the Hotel Hesperia, Ciutat de Mallorca, a small cozy hotel of 69 rooms close to the hotel. Then we have apartments Augusta, here 100 meters away. 3-star hotel, also recommended. And finally, we've got the Hotel Majorica, also very close to the Hotel Horizonte, in this area of hotels called La Bonanova.